channel Fruitful Rambutans. My all other videos regarding rambutan in YouTube are in Malayalam language. But especially this video is specially making for my viewers of other languages. By this video, I am introducing an advanced high-tech project for rambutan cultivation, marketing and fruit collection. With extreme happiness, I am saying I got more commercial gain with rambutan fruit, and it is one of the reasons of presenting this project. And another reason is that love and care towards the farmers who are searching for a high level of livelihood and a lifestyle. I consider that in India, rambutan is specially created for Kerala because analyzing the soil, structure of soil, water facility and climate factor, the land suitable for rambutan cultivation as far as India is concerned, then only 2% of land is suitable. 70% of such land, that 70% of such 2% land is included in Kerala. That is a fortunate factor. So I am saying Kerala thus making itself a hub for rambutan fruits. In Kerala, there is minimum 100 years of history behind the rambutan cultivation. In the recent time, rambutan fruit is named as a nickname, a local name, Mullan Palam. But compared to the fleshy taste of Malaysian rambutan, with this local rambutan Mullan fruit, this local rambutan fruit has no value commercially, in the taste factor and practically also. This project is specially revealing about 5 varieties of Malaysian rambutan. That is 1. N18, origin Malaysia. B. Rongreel, origin Thailand. And C. Binjai, origin Indonesia. And D. Schoolboy, origin Malaysia. Again, 5th one, Maharlika, origin Philippines. When we are selecting one item for our own rambutan cultivation, we have to consider the following criteria and specifications. That is number 1, productivity, then 2, phenomenon of seed attachment from the rambutan fruit, then 3rd, seed fresh ratio, then 4th, Brix value. Brix value means the ratio of seedness, I think so. Then 5th, rind thickness, and 6th, decaying capacity after fruit extraction from tree. Then 7th, tenure of fruits keeping by tree itself. Tenure of fruits keeping by tree after ripening period. That is all. Most important factor and privilege related to ripen period is that rambutan fruit after full ripening can be kept in mother tree in a maximum period of 3 weeks. That's a special privilege. Then one more factor is no pest attack to rambutan tree because it has all the characteristic features of a wild tree which is growing in the wild forest. The main thing that farmers has to listen is better pruning in proper time for making better shape for rambutan tree, for spreading net in the time of harvesting. Net is an important factor for protecting tree from vermin like squirrels and other like birds. When we extracting fruit in the proper time, it is important to cut fruit branches in a length of 2 feet from branches. Thus, we can collect fruit. Same time, we can commit the pruning methods also. Pruning and next flowering season must be within a gap of 6 months. Thus, the newly formed branches get an age of 6 months for next flowering. In this project, I am mainly describing the characteristics and qualities of N18 Malaysia item, which is most suitable for Kerala rambutan farmers. N18, born in Malaysia, good crop productivity, big size fruit, lengthy, round in shape, seed size smaller, and big fleshy appearance, flesh partially transparent, seed sour taste, even in rainy season also. 2022 Brix value. Guaranteed return. after harvesting, we can keep in a period of minimum 1 week. Flesh we can keep in a period of minimum 1 week. But can we keep in the same tree after ripening in a maximum period of 3 weeks? That's a special privilege for N18, especially Malaysian rambutan. Size of the fruit 40 to 55 gram. In Kerala, rambutan cultivated rambutans, 90% of cultivated rambutan in Kerala is N18. That is a special factor for rambutan, N18 rambutan. For cultivating rambutan plant, soil is to be extracted in 2.5 into 2.5 into 2 size from the land. That means 2.5 in length, 2.5 in breadth, and 2 feet in depth. Primary meal for every plant is 50 kg, 15 kg cow dung and 1.5 kg bone meal and a 1.5 kg neem cake. Half of the pit is to be filled with the soil and half of the cow dung and the neem cake and bone meal. Then place the plant in the center portion of the pit, and the remaining portion of the pit is to be filled with the remaining manure. That means remaining cow dung and bone meal and neem cake. Then pour water every day. That is the process of rambutan. If it is possible, every rambutan farmers is to be noted one thing that yes, if you are selecting a rambutan sapling, it is to be an age of minimum 1.5 years from the bedding period. And listen, it must have a minimum size of 3 feet height. If we given proper care and attention, within 6 months, the size of the plant will be in double. If you are getting proper care, manure is to be added in 2 times every year. That is, end of the June month and first of the June month and the end of the October. Especially, rambutan tree is well impacted, well attached by manures. So, giving proper care and proper meal, we will get a attractive growth of rambutan tree. That is a special factor for rambutan, because rambutan is all the characteristics of a wild tree. We are discussing 2 different methods of rambutan cultivation. We are selecting 1 acres of land as a standardized medium for rambutan cultivation in this project. 210 feet length, 210 feet breadth. That is approximately 1 acre. 1 acres of land. For first method, I am giving as a name advanced rambutan cultivation combined with high-tech, high-density farming. For this, 17.5 feet distance from each boundary and 35 feet distance between each plant. We have to plant at first 36 plants. We calling these 36 plants as permanent plants. That is means PP in my project. PP is for a period of 75 years. Age of the assumed to have been 75 years. Age of the PP permanent plant. Again, in the middle of 2 plants, by keeping 17.5 feet distance with each plant, we are planting 85 plants. The period of, that means the age we calculating for this temporary plant is 8 years. 8 years. We calling these plants as temporary plants in the project. PP and TP is to be selected from minimum 2.5 age, 2.5 age of bedded rambutan plants. Thus, we can assure that in the next year, all that 85 plus 36, 124 plants will be flourished. I am presenting an exact idea of profit gain from this method. That is, in the first year, all the plants will be flowered. But I am not calculating any profit from the first year. In the second year, we are getting 10 kg from each plant. So we are getting 1200 kg for third year. We will get 30 kg rambutan fruit from each plant. So we are getting 3600 kg. And in the fourth year, we are getting 60 kg. So we are getting 7200 kg. And in the fifth year, we are getting 85 kg. So totally 10,200 kg. And in the sixth year, we are getting 100 kg. So totally 12,000 kg. Totally calculate so. Then in the seventh year, we are getting 110 kg from each plant. So we are getting 13,200 kg. In the eighth year, we are getting only 100 kg because fruit will be reduces. So we are getting 12,000 kg. Rate fixed. I am fixing rate for 1 kg rambutan is 140 rupees. So in the total 8th year, we are getting a profit of 83 lakhs 16,000 rupees. In the 9th year, you have to cut off all the temporary plants because all the leaves will be collapsed. So we have to cut down all the temporary plants for the enlargement of other permanent plants. PPs will grow up in a large extent by cutting this process. So we have to cut. You must have to cut. That is the reality. So we are getting in the 8th year 83 lakhs 16,000 in this first plan. Referring about the second method, I am giving a name as in the second method, advanced rambutan cultivation of medium density farming for 1 acre of land. That is advanced rambutan cultivation of medium density. Same length, same breadth, same 2 ton feet length, same 2 ton breadth land administering 1 acre. At first, we have to plant 26 numbers plant. We have to plant 26 numbers of rambutan plants, keeping a distance from 13 feet from each 4 boundaries. Then after, inside these plants, we have to plant again 36 numbers plants by keeping a distance of 26 feet from each other plants. Thus, we have already planted 26 plus 36, totally 62. Total number 62. Then I am giving a profit gain from this project. Exact profit from total 8 years I am giving. That is, one thing is to be noted that the plant selected for this method also must be an age of 2.5 years or aged rambutan plants. Rambutan plants. Because in the next year all the plants will be flowered. So we can make a better profit. When we calculating the total profit of 8 years in the second project, same as the first project. In the first year we are not calculating any net profit because all the plants will be flowered, but we are not calculating. In the second year, we are getting a 20 kg fruit from each plant. So total is 1240 kg, 1240 kg. In the third year, we are getting from each tree 40 kg. That is 2480 kg total. And the fourth year, we are getting 60 kg. That means 3720 kg total. And the fifth year, we are getting 90 kg from each plant. So we are getting 5580 kg. And the sixth year, we are getting 120 kg from each plant. So we are getting 7440 kg. And in the seventh year, we are getting 140 kg from each plant. So we are getting net total kg 8,680 kg. And the 8th year, we are getting 150 kg. So total is 9,300 kg. So calculating for kg, we are same as the first project. We are calculating 140 kg per 1 kg rambutan fruit. So we are getting total net profit in the 8th year. Total 8th year, we are getting 53,81,600 rupees. It is the net profit from the second project. I am also presenting the printed plan, which is showing the exact idea of plan 1 and 2, plan 1 and plan 2. That will help you for the easy cultivation under this method, under this advanced method. If you have any doubt, you can approach me. You can call me in my number. I am giving my number. I will give you the same number, my address also. Then you can call me at any time. I am ready to help you without any remuneration. Finally, I have to submit a most important factor, that I have to convey you that I have a good machinery for executing this plan. I have my own employees. If you are engaging me to execute this plan in 1 acre or more than 1 acre, I am ready. Then I am okay. I can execute this plan with a very clear intention. You can approach me at any time for rambutan plants. I have already prepared thousands of 3-year aged bedded rambutan plants for executing this plan 1 and 2. You can approach me at any time. I am doing this not only for my economic benefit, but also for my devotional, ethical attachment towards the farmers. I am giving my address also. Okay, thank you for the patient hearing. Thank you to my all viewers.